Okay, a little bit of rain, but let me take you back to, that's the gate. I just went out earlier, come back through, back to Casa Pequeña, the mountain, the farm. Oh, it's so chill out here. So I'm just walking in. Again, we're just surrounded by primary forest here. Great neighbors, me, Oswaldo, Oldemar, Franklin, and Don Jose. Can't beat the crew. And like I said, you know, between the what is it? Between the five of us, I don't know, what do we have? A couple thousand acres or something crazy. Maybe 1,000. I'd have to calculate it. If anybody wants to know, let me know. I'll do the math. That's a restaurant area, bar, hang out, like kitchen and all that, and water tank. Back of the house. Looks a lot nicer from the front. Alright, I'm cranking through here. This is the old generator house on the right. I just kind of go off of solar now. The old wood shed. And coming in. And I'll say hi to the boys taking their lunch break. Oh, there's the cabin in the back. Nice there, the boys. Hi, Ro. Diego, having a little lunch. I was going to beat it down on my farm across the street. Cut the grass. Oh, I'm going to have one of them cocos right now. I'm so thirsty. Got some breadfruit. We're going to fry that up tonight. And that was a good hike. Let's see what I did. I did something like, 4.71 miles. Not bad. All right, everybody. See you later.